Good day, everybody. We're in Surin province at Lampao, right behind me. It is a surprising place. I've been here for 2.5 years and unaware of this place. And Jai pointed it out to me today, so we're going to try it out for lunch today. I hope you all enjoy the content. Please stick around to the end. We'll show you. They have fresh shrimp. It's not air-conditioned building, but it's nice and cool, shaded areas, and I'll share that with you right now. This is the little shrimp sign they have out front when you get here, and there's parking right along the street. I like the shaded seating areas they have here. We chose to sit over here on this side. They're a pretty nice spot. Jai's ordering now. But the little ponds I'm telling you about, the little concrete ponds, they have them scattered around here, and they raise the shrimp here. I can actually see some down there in the water. Can you pick those out? There's got quite a few. There's a lot of them in here. And there's other seating areas over here if you are capable of squatting and crossing your legs and eating. I can't do that. Too darn old and messed up. So if you want to sit that way, you've got the option, or you've got the option of picking tables. Here's more of the ponds here. These are a little easier to see in. I think they're actually getting them out of here fresh right now to cook. Can't get fresher than that. I told Jai she's going to have to peel mine for me. I'm worthless at doing the peeling. Oh, they pick them up and weigh them right here. We'll show you the menu of all the options you have to choose from here. Information from one of the employees. Okay, and this one here where the jumbos are, they're big. I just noticed they got long blue arms on them. These are really big, really big. You get an idea looking in the basket there. These are order the medium or the small, Jai?
The small.
Okay,
I
so
order half kilo with you can video he gonna do for us.
of the small?
No, I order jumbo.
Oh, jumbo.
Half kilo.
Okay. Jai ordered half kilo of the jumbo, so he's gonna pull them out. Let's see how many he gets here for half kilo. No, that's huge.
Oh, huge, huh? How many you want to eat? Cóตัวใหญ่ๆตัวใหญ่ๆ You want three or four?
Three's probably enough.
Huh?
Three is probably enough.
You
What
three,
do you need?
you three, I two นะ
Okay.
เอา5 ตัวก็ได้เนาะมัน
So
ให้แต่มันเกิน
we gave up on the per kilo amount. Now we're just gonna go with getting 5 jumbo shrimp.
ได้เซลhalf kilo โอเค we
Okay, he's got the scales over here. He'll weigh how much they are.
ถึงไหม
About 3/4 of.
โอเคก็5ตัวนี่แหละ nearly 1 kilo อันนี้แหละ
Okay. So we've decided to go up to 1 kilo. So it's 570 baht for 1 kilo, which is a little light still. Gotta find a smaller one. Woo! There we go. Okay, this is a kilo of jumbo shrimp right here. There's about 8, I think, ended up being. Okay, I'm going to video the menu for you here so you can see what they have, what the options are,
we order
and the
shrimp
prices. We ordered the jumbo shrimp. You'll see that in the video.
1 kilogram
1 kilo, and it's 580 baht, 570 baht. So I'll put that in there in US. Okay, I want to correct. I thought they were raising the shrimp here. They do raise the shrimp, but not here. And Jai is going to explain that.
Today we come to eat in the restaurant called Lampao กุ้งเผา Lampao is the dam from Kalasin province, and they brought they bring the shrimp from Lampao dam come here. That's why they call Lampao กุ้งเผา. We saw the video from Gop Las Vegas. น้องกบ is our friend. She's our friend. She came from Las Vegas to meet family in Surin province, and I saw her video today. That's why we want to come here. I saw the food is look delicious, and today we order jumbo shrimp 1 kilogram 570 baht. We will see.
And what else? You got also
I order a lot of food.
khao pat.
ข้าวผัดปู crab fried rice.
Okay,
salad.
and Jai says that we're going to be visiting the dam at some point. So when we do, we'll reference this video at the same time.
Yeah.
Our jumbo shrimp has arrived. It's cooked, and size-wise, Jai, put your hand in there. Put your hand in.
Very big,
Yeah,
huh?
they're
Jumbo.
huge. And
From
they got 2 different dips.
2 dip.
And they're from where, Jai?
Lampao Dam,
Lampao Dam.
Kalasin province.
Okay, this is 570 baht, which is like
See?
$17.25 just for the jumbo prawns.
See the dip?
So when the rest comes, we'll video that. It's nice. They have a little sink right over there with soap, so you can wash your hands when you're dealing with the shrimp.
See one shrimp.
This is one shrimp that's been done,
ใช่ค่ะหน้ากลาง
and the head here.
Okay, another one come.
Khao pat goom.
ปู
Poo. Khao pat poo. which is fried rice. I love fried rice.
crab fried rice
Crab fried rice. Okay, this is a tilapia.
they call in Thai ปลาเมี่ยงปลานิล they have a lot of things to eat with
Then the condiments here. You pick up a few pieces of this and put it in the lettuce, and then you put a piece of the fish in it. It is incredibly good, and the dips that they go with it. Jai's making up some of the
เมี่ยง
fried tilapia with the veggies and the other condiments,
a lot of things
and she's making it for her baby.
yeah for my baby a lot of things a lot of vegetables กำลังจะกินเมี่ยงปลาดินเผานะคะโอ้อร่อยไหม อร่อยมากนะ อร่อยมาก อร่อยมากเมี่ยงปลาดินเผานะคะเพื่อนๆข้าวผัดก็อร่อย crab fried rice very good baby
Really good.
อ๋อนี่มีตำถั่วหมูกรอบมาอีกนะคะ อร่อยไปหมดทุกอย่างเลยค่ะ very delicious
Jai is making the tilapia for me because I'll have to start doing it myself.
ตำถั่วหมูกรอบ
Oh man.
yummy yummy yummy
We got way too much food to eat here today. I'd definitely be taking a bunch home.
ตำถั่วหมูกรอบนะคะ
Green bean salad and grilled pork.
see that
And
so
right here we got sea bass soup. Jai ordered enough food that we could have had an army here to eat.
see the stuff
So we're definitely going to be taking food home.
yeah a lot
I mean, the shrimp, we could have just got by with the shrimp. They're jumbo shrimps. And the tilapia is, I mean, that's just way too much food. What do you think, Jai? We're gonna make a dent?
we're gonna eat and take home too
Okay, the damages for our food, you can't read what it says, most of you, but you can see the price to the right-hand side. And the total came out to 1,275 baht.
a lot of food
That's a lot of food. We still have a lot of leftover food.
we cannot eat all
But we knew it. We knew it when we came here. We just wanted to make sure that,
want to review
yeah, we wanted to review the place and make sure we had
ที่แก
everything.
บอกว่าเอาไปหุงให้เขา
Okay, we had a wonderful meal here today. Say the name of the place again, John.
ลำปาวกุ้งเผา restaurant
And we're in Surin Thailand. Okay, we had a wonderful meal. We hope you guys enjoyed watching it, reviewing this place. We hadn't been here before, and Jai's been really anxious to get to do it. So we thought today would be a good time. So if you like this content, please reach down to the bottom and mash the like and subscribe. Doesn't cost you anything, and it helps our channel. This is Bobby and Jai with Time to Get Going.
out
We're out.